Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home screen on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve home screen on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Telegram. Sorry, here. If you find updates, you can update your app in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next